Look at that, everyone's drying their rice on the road. Let's see how much rice they're drying. Look. Yesterday it rained really hard, so the rice got wet. So we're counting on the next couple of days to dry the rice. Lots of rice, huh? It's the busiest time for farmers here because it's payday when they got the good rice. See that there's more rice to come. Give way. Hey, Satan! ไม่มีน้ำมันซื้อน้ำมันไม่มีข้าวก็ข้าวเยอะใช่ไหมสบายครับ It's my relative saying that the rice was a lot, that they have to still cut that. It's busy. Busiest time of the year for the farmers in Thailand. สวัสดีครับ See everyone cutting their rice. I'm cutting by hand. สวัสดีครับ Beautiful. See everyone's cutting rice. Everyone's going back with their rice. Pickup full of rice there. Look at that. These ladies are raking the rice to dry, turning over the rice. That's how you do it. Busy, busy. So this is all my rice drying. Okay, from here all the way to the end there. That's all my rice for the year. And I have my family here looking after my rice while it dries. So you have to get prepared, guys. That's my rice for the year, okay? So it took 6 months to grow. Anyway, that's how we dry rice here in Thailand. Hopefully it doesn't rain tonight and everything's cool. Look at the cows grazing here. So we're in the real countryside here. Okay, catch you later. Bye-bye.